Patty, and today we're gonna make elbow macaroni, and it's a really easy but amazing recipe, and we're gonna make it with cream, mayo, ham, and veggies. Stay with me, and it's really easy. You guys gonna love it.
Okay, we're gonna need 2 cups of elbow macaroni, 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of ham, 1 cup of corn, 2 stalks of celery, half a package of cream cheese, 1 pinch of black pepper.
Now for this delicious spaghetti.
It's not spaghetti, Patty. It's elbow macaroni, and I love it. I love you, Patty.
You are totally right, Nancy. Thank you so much. And I love you too. Okay, with the hot water, I'm gonna add oil, salt, and the pasta, the elbow macaroni, and it's gonna be ready according with the package instructions. Hola! Okay, a little tip. Add some olive oil, like around half a teaspoon, to prevent your pasta from sticking. Look at that. It's really nice and it's not stick together. And the first thing you have to do is the cream. And this is sour cream, by the way. But any cream that you have at home, it will work. The mayo. I love mayo, guys. Oh, it's delicious. So creamy. Love it. Cream cheese. This is 4 ounces of the package. But now it's up to you if you want to use the whole package. Black pepper, a pinch. And the ham. And I cut it in small pieces because it looks pretty too. Mix everything, and right now is the time if you want to add some salt, and obviously the rest of the ingredients. That will be the cup of corn and the cup of celery, and it's ready. Really easy, really healthy, and it's delicious.
No, Nancy, it's not ready yet. Nancy, wait. Nancy, it's not ready yet, Mama. No, Mama. Mama, no. Okay.
Oh, I love it. Oh, thank you, Patty. You're so kind. I love elbow macaroni. Love it.
Hi, guys. Okay, so our elbow macaroni is ready and it's done, and it was so easy. I told you. Now I'm gonna try this, and this is the hard part. Did you know that, right? Okay, let me show you my beautiful plate. And I put some tomato, celery, and carrots. So let's try this. It's really good. And you can substitute the ham for any other vegetable. It's up to you. And remember, there is no right way or wrong way. Simply do it your way. Try it at home. Take a picture. Post it on Instagram and show me your amazing recipe. Thank you for your support, for your love, for everything. See you next time. Thumbs up, share, subscribe, and bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.